Hey there, it's Larry Bammer with your weekly market update for November 7th. Wow. The private sector has added 42,000 jobs in October. That's according to ADP, marking a very small rebound after 2 months of job losses. Still, the overall job growth remains modest. Only 10,000 jobs have been added over the past 3 years total. This ADP report carries extra importance since the federal shutdown has delayed the government's official employment data for both September and October, the BLS. That means the Federal Reserve is flying blind. It's relying on private reports like ADP as it weighs in future rate decisions. So, finger crossed, we're out of the shutdown here soon. The Fed continues to walk this fine line, working to lower inflation while keeping the labor market stable. Chair Powell, I said it last week on my video, there's no free risk path ahead. So the 10th meeting, it's far from guaranteed we get that Fed rate cut. Now, for October, job figures from ADP likely won't shift the Fed's stance. The data isn't strong enough to rule out a cut, but not weak enough to require them either. I did take a look at the Fed futures prediction for the December 10th meeting, and it did rise 6% to 71% likelihood of that cut. Just a reminder, when the Fed adjusts rates, it changes the federal funds rate, which banks charge each other for short-term loans. That does not directly change mortgage rates, but it does influence them along with a lot of other factors. In housing, Cotality's latest report shows that home values actually slipped 0.2% in September, but get this, over the last year, a year ago, it's 1.2% higher than last year. Looking ahead, Cotality expects prices to rise, get this, 4.1% over the next year, supported by lower rates and stronger buyer demand. Real estate continues to be one of the most reliable ways to build wealth. For example, if you bought a home now, $500,000, and it appreciates 4% over the next year, that's $20,000 in gained appreciation. That's the power of home ownership. If you're thinking about buying a home, it doesn't matter where in the country, what state you're looking in, reach out to me. Send me a DM. I have a database of 31,000 realtors across the country that can help you. I can put you in touch with. If you own a home already, if you have a rate that's higher than 6.5%, definitely reach out. I'll put you on my hot list for when it makes sense for you to refinance and save hundreds of dollars a month. If you also want to receive your personalized wealth digest about your property and the appreciation and the market around your home, let me know. I'll get you added to that. Have a great weekend. Hope this was helpful.